make it obvious I forgot a bag like I'm picking up. No, you guys have a good time. Thank you so much. Nice to talk to you. No, we're on the wrong side. Why is there ice?
Okay, that's kind of wild. There's no like this, right there. It's the Alexandria side.
Ladies and gentlemen, American Airlines is pleased to welcome you to Washington's Reagan National Airport. Local time is 4:48 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened about you in the aisle, clear of all of your carry-on items. Before you leave us, please check the seat back in front of you for your personal items like cell phones, tablets, headsets, and when you open over a compartment, please use caution. Items may have shifted during the flight. This time you may now use your cellular telephones. We're scheduled to arrive at the C Terminal Gate C36. Baggage claim for this flight is carousel number 11.
You won't love it. It's really awesome.
On behalf of American Airlines, our one-world partners, we thank you for flying with us today, and we hope to see you again soon. Enjoy the remainder of your weekend.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have to wait for one aircraft to come out of this alley and then we'll be cleared into our gate.
You said great. You said how's the